Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ifa Habib from BS Maths Department. Today, my topic of presentation is Lewis theory of chemical bonding. Chemical bonding. A chemical bond is a lasting attraction between atoms, ions, or molecules that enables the formation of chemical compounds. Covalent bonds. Lewis structures are only for covalently bonded molecules. Covalent bonds mean that electrons are shared between atoms. Lewis theory of chemical bonding. Two atoms attract each other, create a covalent bond by sharing a pair of electrons. Lewis claimed that the shared electrons become part of each atom's electron configuration, so sharing effectively boosts each atom's electron count. Lewis structure assumptions. Only valence electrons are involved in bonding. Atoms react to form molecules, so to achieve stable noble gas electronic configurations. Atoms in molecules want 8 valence electrons, octet rule, except for hydrogen, which wants 2 electrons, duplet rule. In covalent compounds, atoms share electrons to form bond in order to achieve stable noble gas electronic configuration. Important rules for Lewis structures. Rule 1. Select central atom, which is mostly that the one which is in least number, have least electronegativity, or have largest size, or have highest atomic number. Rule 2. Octet of corner atom must be complete. Rule 3. Central atom can have 8 or more than 8 electrons. It means it complete octet rule or more than it. Rule 4. Central atom tries to remain in its maximum covalency. Rule 5. If there will be positive charge, for example H3O+, then it will be on central atom. Rule 6. If there will be negative charge, for example on NO3-, it will be on corner atom. Calculations. In calculations, first of all we have to find Q, where Q is equal to valence electrons of all atoms plus negative charge if any minus positive charge if any. Bond pair of electrons is equal to 2 multiplied by number of bonds. Bond pair of electrons is equal to 2 multiplied by number of bonds. Lone pair of electrons is equal to Q minus bond pair of electrons. Formal charge. The charge assigned to an atom in a molecule, assuming that electrons in a chemical bonding are shared equally between atoms. This helps determine which of a few Lewis structure is more correct. The formula of formal charge. Formal charge is equal to valence electrons minus lone pair of electrons minus bond pair of electrons by 2. Resonance. Resonance is a property of a compound that can be visualized as having multiple structures differing only in distribution of electrons. Resonance structure is a way of describing delocalized electrons within certain molecules or polyatomic ions where the bonding cannot be expressed by a single Lewis structure. They have the same number of electrons and therefore have the same overall charge. They differ only in the arrangement of electrons. The atoms keep the same connectivity and arrangement. Example 1. Lewis structure of H3O+. First of all, we have to find Q. Q is equal to 6 plus 3 minus 1. 6 is the number of oxygen valence electrons. 3 is the number of hydrogen atoms, valence electrons in hydrogen atoms. Minus 1 is the positive charge on the molecule. Total is equal to 8. Then bond pair electrons is equal to 6 electrons. We can show in this diagram that there are 3 bonds. 3 bond means it has 6 electrons. So bond pair electrons is equal to 6 electrons. Lone pair electrons. Q minus bond pair electrons, 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 electrons. Example 2. Lewis structure of NO3 minus. First of all, we have to find Q. 5 plus 18 plus 1 is equal to 24. Where 5 is the number of valence electrons in nitrogen, 18 is the number of valence electrons in oxygen atoms, plus 1 is the negative charge on molecule, equal to 24. Bond pair electrons is equal to 6 electrons. Lone pair electrons, 24 minus 6 is equal to 18 electrons. Formal charge of atom. Formal charge of atom, nitrogen. We know that the formal charge formula is valence electrons minus lone pair electrons minus bond pair electrons divided by 2. So by calculation we can get answer. Formal charge of nitrogen is positive 1. Formal charge of atom 2 means oxygen is minus 1. Formal charge of atom 3 is also minus 1. Whereas formal charge of atom 4 is 0 because atom 4 contains double bond, so it has 0 charge. The end. Thank you.